So format of grant writing. So firstly, define the project and its location, right? So yes, you need to go ahead and analyze the audience firstly. Before anything of this, you need to go ahead and analyze analyze the intended audience. Then analyze the purpose of the proposal. So what are you writing this grant proposal for? Whether it is for the upliftment of the society, or whether it's for a research program, or whether it is, for any, what is the main purpose, for any purpose that you have in mind and you think a grant proposal, the purpose. Then gather information about the proposal. So you need to go ahead and get down to, collecting information, and what works well also, like facts and figures. When you give numbers and when you state numbers in a grant proposal, that has a lot of weightage because it gives, like, a realistic picture of, yes, now the audience, you analyze the purpose of your proposal, you have gathered information all together, putting your proposal together. Now what you need to do is put it down and go ahead with drafting your proposal, writing the proposal. Okay, so then the format goes this way. Define the project and its location. So yes, now you need to go ahead and define the project and its location, like, where is it going to take place, what is the project all about, whether it's going to be taking place within the school, or there are different locations that you all are seeking. Whatever location is there in your mind, you need to pen it down. Then what is the need of the project, right? So what is the need and the necessity of the project? Like if we look at the same example of the education institution talking about bringing all the students at par, it would be like the need of the project is to bring the 50% of the students on par with the same level of understanding as the other students. So this is the main need of the project, to bring all the students on par. If they are lagging behind, to kind of groom them, kind of give them enhanced teaching methods and different ways to which you could tackle this. So what is the need? You need to mention the need. Then who are the beneficiaries of the project? So in this case, the students would be benefiting out of it, right? So the beneficiaries of this project, who are the beneficiaries? Here it would be, in this example, the student. Then elaborate the process of the project and expenditure. Now when we elaborate the process and the expenditure, it would be like, the process is, go ahead and bring in new teaching methods, activities, probably use of tabs, and use of audio, video, visuals, each and everything in detail. What is the process to bring them? How are you going to help the students to memorize and to memorize certain numbers, or how do you tackle the problem of them dealing with math and the numbers, and or how do you go ahead and help students remember the historical events and the dates? So what is the process, how you are going to tackle this? So when you're talking about elaborating the process, here we need to mention how is the process going to go ahead.